Well, ladies and gentlemen, today is Friday, July 24th. We're looking at the S&P 500. In my in my humble opinion, this market is due for a pullback, and we've seen the journey starting. The bears will try to restore this market first level, second level, third level, but the bulls will try one more time to test this level. If they don't succeed overpowering this level to this next one right here, then we expect some pullback to the downside. Today is Friday, so if you're trading the S&P 500, be careful because Fridays people sometimes take profit. So be careful trading upside. I am trading on the south side. I'm shorting this market and maintaining a tight stop to make sure that the risk reward is in my favor. And so I am expecting the pullback. Be careful trading today. Make sure that you are protecting yourself at all times. Happy trading.